Hello everyone, my name is Sarina Dhawan and in this presentation I will be discussing the career of Gurpreet Singh, a software engineer from a small village in Madhya Pradesh, India. Gurpreet's career journey is unique and insightful, and we will be examining it through various career theories and metaphors. Join me as we explore the different aspects of his career path and the lessons we can learn from his experiences. In this presentation, we will explore Gurpreet's career through the lens of several career theories and metaphors. Specifically, we will cover the following topics: an overview of his career, analysis of his career using the Holland theory of career choice and other career theories. Also, analysis of the Gurpreet's career using career metaphors such as career as fit, career as journey, and career as story. He is a software engineer and 34 years of age. Recently became father of a baby boy. He and his wife live with his parents. He is a computer science engineering graduate. When he was 5 years old, his family migrated to Punjab, and after early education, Gurpreet attended boarding school before attending college. His early life was marked by his father's decision to enroll him in all boys boarding school for better education. Though he struggled initially and learned valuable social skills that would serve him well in his future career, he went on to the study of computer science engineering in college, initially motivated by a desire to interact with female students. Despite this initial motivation, Gurpreet discovered a passion for coding and worked hard to improve his skills. His career started with an internship at a software company which provided him with valuable experience and knowledge in coding. He then worked as a software engineer for several companies, gradually gaining more responsibilities and experience. Despite facing challenges such as social isolation and uncertainty about his career path, Super's theory of career development is based on the concept of career cycles, which suggests that individuals go through several cycles, several stages in their career development. These stages are often cyclical, meaning that individuals may revisit them multiple times throughout their careers. These stages are growth, exploration, establishment, maintenance, and decline. My client's career has followed the cyclical pattern of exploration, establishment, maintenance, and disengagement. He initially explored different career options before committing to a career in software engineering, which he successfully maintained for several years. His decision to leave his corporate job and focus on his passion project marks a disengagement from his previous career. In Gurpreet's case, he experienced multiple mini cycles as he switched jobs and pursued his passion project. Each switch represented a mini cycle which allowed him to gain new skills, experiences, and insights into his career goals. Furthermore, Gurpreet's decision to pursue coding as a career was a maxi cycle. It was a longer term period of development. Holland's theory is widely recognized career development theory developed by John L. Holland. It suggests that people tend to choose careers that match their personality type, which can be determined by the Rorschach model. The Rorschach model identifies 6 personality types: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. People with a realistic personality are practical, prefer hands on work, and enjoy working with tools and machinery. Investigative individuals are analytical, curious, and prefer working with abstract concepts and data. Artistic individuals are creative, imaginative, and prefer working in unstructured environments. Social individuals are compassionate, empathetic, and enjoy helping others. Enterprising individuals are ambitious, assertive, and enjoy taking charge. Conventional individuals are detailed oriented, organized, and enjoy working with numbers and data. Based on his Rorschach score and dominant personality type, He may be interested in careers that involve helping others, such as teaching, counseling, or social work. However, Gurpreet's high scores in conventional and realistic suggest that he may also be interested in careers that involve organization, detail oriented work, and hands on tasks. However, it is important to note that RISEC scores are just one piece of the career puzzle and shouldn't be taken as a definitive indicator of career interest and abilities. Gurpreet's career journey and the critical turning point at all boys boarding school is initial decision to choose computer science engineering based on desire to interact with female students, discovery of passion for coding and successful career, flexibility and adaptability in switching jobs for growth opportunities. Gurpreet's career journey aligns with the career as fit metaphor. Gurpreet values autonomy, creativity, and innovation in his work. He prioritizes work-life balance and believes in a healthy work environment. He values continuous learning and self-improvement. His career values played a significant role in shaping his career choices. Also, he prioritizes autonomy, creativity, innovation. In my client's case, his initial decision to pursue computer science engineering may not have aligned perfectly with these skills and interests, but it ultimately led him to discover his passion for coding. His career path was not always linear, and he switched jobs multiple times, seeking new challenges and opportunities for growth. Therefore, while the career as a fit and cycles metaphors provide valuable insights into Gurpreet's career journey, it is important to keep in mind their limitations and to approach career development with an open mind. Gurpreet's career can be seen as a journey in which he faced several challenges and obstacles, such as struggling to fit in socially and not finding his passion until later in life. Gurpreet's career can be seen as a story in which he struggled to find his path initially, but through hard work and determination, he found his passion for coding and created a successful career for himself. Gurpreet's story highlights the importance of finding and pursuing your passions in your career. Gurpreet's career journey also emphasizes the importance of persistence and hard work. Gurpreet's willingness to adapt and learn new skills allowed him to stay relevant in a rapidly changing industry. He should continue to prioritize his learning and stay updated with the latest technologies and industry trends. Gurpreet has also benefited from the power of networking in his career. He should continue to build and maintain his professional network by attending industry events, connecting with the peers on LinkedIn. He should continue to work on personal projects that allow him to explore his interests and develop new skills. In conclusion, Gurpreet's career path is a testament to the fact that success is not always a linear path. It requires a combination of passion, hard work, flexibility, and adaptability. His story is a valuable reminder that our career paths are not set in a stone, and we have the power to shape our own career stories through the choices we can make and the actions we take. Thank you.